Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying these Rome research insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences using TruCredit. TruCredit, found at www.trucredit.com, is a website I've personally explored. It's a resource I've looked into for understanding and managing credit information. My experience navigating the site involved exploring their various tools and services designed to help consumers access and monitor their credit reports. I spent time investigating the options they provide for credit score tracking and improvement. TruCredit provides several valuable resources to assist individuals in understanding their financial standing. Among these resources, I found their credit report access particularly useful. The site offers several options for obtaining your credit report and provides guidance on interpreting the information contained within. They also offer various educational materials, including articles and tutorials, aimed at improving financial literacy and helping users make more informed decisions about their credit. My time on the site also included exploring their credit monitoring tools. These tools are designed to alert users to any changes in their credit reports, enabling them to quickly address any potential issues or inaccuracies. I found this feature especially helpful in staying on top of my credit health. Additionally, TruCredit offers resources dedicated to credit repair and improvement, which I also investigated. This section of the site provides guidance on strategies for improving credit scores and addresses common credit-related challenges. Overall, TruCredit appears to be a comprehensive platform for managing various aspects of personal credit. From accessing and understanding your credit reports to monitoring your credit score and exploring strategies for improvement, TruCredit seems to provide a range of helpful tools and educational resources. My personal experience using the site involved navigating these various features and investigating the options they offer for credit management and improvement. It's a platform worth considering for anyone looking to better understand and manage their credit health.